Hi, welcome to Braised Kitchen. I just got my very first subscriber. Thank you so much. Today we are making a classic Shanghai home-style dish, scallion braised pork chops. Ingredients are simple. Pork chops. I'm using boneless pork shoulder, but bone-in works too. Scallions, ginger, cornstarch, light and dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, salt and sugar. First, pat the pork dry with paper towels. Use the back of a knife to tenderize both sides. Then score the membrane around the edge every 1 to 2 cm. This keeps the chop from curling when fried. I usually trim off the membranes completely. The chops may break apart a little bit, but they will turn out more tender. Now pour the marinade over the meat. And give it a good rub. Once fully absorbed, there should be no excess liquid left. Add a little oil and give the chops a nice massage. This locks in moisture and flavor. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight for the best results. Cut the scallion into 3 sections and separate the whites from the greens. Slice 5 pieces of ginger. Take the chops out of the refrigerator, pour off any liquid, and let them come to room temperature for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, mix all the sauce ingredients listed on the screen. Coat both sides of the pork evenly with cornstarch. That's all of our prep. Pour the oil into a pan, heat it until you feel warmth above the pan, about 70% hot. Gently add the chops one by one. Let one side set before flipping. Fry both sides until golden brown, then remove. Leave a little oil in the pan. On low heat, saute the ginger slice and the scallion whites until fragrant. Next, add the scallion greens and place the fried pork chops on the top. Pour in the sauce. Then add hot water just enough to cover the chops. Bring to a boil, then cover and simmer. Seven minutes on high, then 5 minutes on medium heat. If you want a deeper color, add 1 more spoon of dark soy sauce. Uncover and turn the heat up to reduce the sauce slightly. You don't need to thicken them too much. This broth is perfect for noodles. Here's our no-sodium version of scallion braised pork chops. super tender even for kids and seniors. Give it a try. Check out more recipes on my channel. Bon appetit and see you next time.